Hello everyone, welcome to Color Our World of Art. We know frogs hop, but do they roll? These frog rolls sure do. These are the materials. First, cut off a rectangle with 1/3 of the length of an A4 size paper. Cut 2 slits about half the length of the paper. And then cut a zigzag edge into the other end of the paper by cutting little triangles. You can also use a zigzag scissors to do so. Next, roll the bigger middle part of the paper towards the zigzag edge and staple down the ends. Also roll the 2 other strips, but roll them into smaller rolls and staple those ends down as well. You have formed both the body and the legs of the frog. Next, cut 2 tabs with rounded ends from the green paper, with a length of 3 cm each. Draw a circle and then a dot on the rounded end using a black marker to make eyes on both pieces. Fold 0.5 cm off the ends for gluing later. Cut a 0.5 by 5 cm red paper strip and cut a V into the end. Curve the strip by pressing it under a rounded object and pulling away quickly. Lastly, glue the eyes to the top of the head and draw 2 dot nostrils and a smiling mouth. Paste the tongue on the mouth. And that's it! Hope you enjoyed it! Thank you for watching Color Our World of Art. Please don't forget to subscribe and see you soon.